Libra, Libra, Libra. So, welcome po, Scorp's Work Tarot. So, Libra reading po tayo, September 1 to 7. So, knock, 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 Libra. Alisin ko lang yung energy ng card. Change the energy. Tignan natin. Libra, Libra. Kamusta po yung mga OFW, mga kaibigan nating OFW? OFW din po ako. Shout out po. Shout out po sa inyo. Decision, clarity, answer. Merong beginning na bago. Ano pa yung gusto mong desisyonan? It's a major decision. Kamusta po yung mga kapatid natin na nasa Pilipinas? Meron na namang mga baha-baha na naman. Controversial news about the mga construction ng mga yung mga ganyan. Ano yan eh. Yung pinagdaanan ko rin yan. Naglakad din po ako sa baha. Kaya umalis na rin ako sa Pilipinas. Nakakapagod. So, ibang pakikibaka na naman. So, Ace of Sword. So, you are making decision. Libra. Gusto mong magdesisyon. Ano yung gusto mong desisyonan? Ano yung darating sa'yo na ine-expect mo? Na wini-wish mo? Ito nga ba, decision eh. Kasi meron kang indecision eh. Si Libra eh. Libra is the weighing scale. Hindi balanse. Hinahanap mong balansehin. Ano yung indecisiveness? Libra. Meron bang ganyan, Libra? September 1 to 7. Malapit na yung birthday ni Libra. Bear month na. Malapit na po ang Pasko. Ulit. Gastos. So, another weekend. Hopefully, maganda yung week natin next week. Busy din po ako last week. Pasalamat at sa trabaho. So, decision ni Libra. Minsan si Libra, yung indecision na ganyan, ano yan, nakakapagod din sa kanya. Meron din po akong kaibigan na Libra. Alam ko yung, ano yan, close kami ng Libra kasi magkasunod kami ng, ano yan, magkapit bahay kami sa sign, being a Scorpio. So, alam ng Libra kung meron yung Scorpio friend. Kaya, medyo makulit nga lang yan. Pero, very, very grounded din. Na, mapapagod lang sila kapag kasama ang Scorpio. Okay, Libra, September 1 to 7. September 1 to 7. Ano yung pinag-iisipan mo na didesisyonan? Saan ang gagaling yan? Merong superficial ka na dinesisyonan na hindi maganda. It's not on your favor or merong ito yung tip. Okay, meron tayong mga sa trabaho na lang, ano, yung decision natin, hindi mo mararamdaman yung effect niyan eh, and up to certain period of time, you know. Let's say implement natin itong bagong policy na bawal na ang kumain sa labas or bawal na ang magyosi or something like that, okay? And then hindi mo na dumating yung yung resulta kaagad kasi until the people are starting to follow or not following. So it creates you another triumphant temporary triumph because na-implement mo. Pero it creates another headache. Yes? So yan. Ganyan yung Libra. Meron kang dinesisyonan or didesisyonan, hindi mo pa nadidesisyonan yata, pinag-iisipan mo kasi mukhang alam mo na yung impact noong desisyon na yun eh, na ang gusto mo lang naman is to have that happy fulfillment, the emotional level eh. Kasi nga, nando ka sa stage na, okay, you want to get out of, you feel isolated, na left out. Ngayon, gusto mo umalis na sa energy na parang left out ka palagi. And then, meron kang gustong desisyonan, hinihintay mong desisyonan, hindi ka makapag-decide, nandiyan ka sa indecisiveness mode. Kasi there's a lot of fighting that you're gonna encounter. It might create some stresses. Tipong, ano ba yung example? Meron kong example, yung, okay, bibili ka ng kotse, pero kulang ka pa ng pera. Ngayon, maglo-loan ka. Pwede ka naman mag-loan. Ngayon, pag nag-loan ka, ito yung impact niyan. Amortization, etc., interest, etc. Now, you've been trying to make that decision because kailangan mo ng sasakyan kasi nga palagi umuulan. Ayaw mong pumila sa MRT. Palagi kang late. Ngayon, bibili ka ng kotse, magbabayad ka ng insurance, pero palagi naman baha. Hindi ka makapag-decide kung bibili ka, pero yung solution, alam mo kung paano mo solusyonan. Kasi nga, meron kang idea or hinihintay mo pa yung clarity na ikaw yung I do not know kung ikaw yung magdidesisyon o meron kang hinihintay na desisyon. Basta ang alam mo lang yung nararamdaman mo presently, Libra, and you want to get out of that mode of you being left out. Kasi hindi ka masaya. You are acknowledging your emotion, and at the same time alam mo na kapag na-desisyonan mo yun o dumating na or naganap na yung whatever na hinihintay mong desisyon, you will be happier. Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan, Libra? Tignan natin kung ano ba yung gusto mong desisyonan na ito. I don't relate it sa trabaho. Ito yung tipong gusto mong ituloy o ayaw mong ituloy. Kasi basahin ko siya ng upright. Short ka sa budget. Or are you planning to have kids? Or to adopt a kid? You want to build a family? Okay, meron ano to sa not everybody applicable yung situation na yun. I can see here as well if this is something for sa relationship, parang foundation to ng pamilya eh. You're lacking something in that spectrum. Ika nga you are lacking on something on the spectrum. Meron ka hinahanap dun sa tradition. Yung interpretation mo ng family is different from other people, and you have to conform on that tradition. I don't see the Hierophant here, pero again, ko lang is that's an speculation because you're fighting for something here to have that type of happiness mode mo. You're fighting for something to achieve that happiness mode. Yung emotional happiness mo. And it can related be to the family. Yes? Kung hindi to family, let's say sa negosyo na lang, two meaning ito. It's a family and you want to have a child or you want to adopt a child kasi nga kulang. Meron bang ganyan, Libra? Kasi Libra is always looking for that balance palagi. Typical, that's the nature of the Libra sign. And yung decision and indecision can can be sometimes heavy sa emotional side as well. That it's talking about your happiness. I don't see any work related. This is not work related. This is something internally. Heart of head of a lion, heart of a lamb, being meek. You need the strength. You need the strength to pull it off. Yung decision na yun, I think it's very heavy. It's not something na you can decide on your own. Are you waiting for somebody to give that? Okay. I give the example kanina is the child of conceiving, or if you're having a baby, and it's something that siguro hindi pa time. Meron bang ganyan, Libra? And it's coming so slow. Darating pero it's not on the timeline yet. So keep your hopes high. I think yun ang decision. Keep your hopes high. You're having some indecision. Pero is it related to sa dami ng option? Okay, ito si or ikaw si Emperor, the decision maker. Does it need somebody's decision? Meron bang ganyan, Libra? September 1, wala pang clarity. Is it all only on the stage of your isipan muna itong plano na ito? It look like it's a plan. It's a plan. Hindi pa hindi pa siya solid. Plano. It's on the planning stage. Drawing board, Libra. Meron bang ganyan? Nasa drawing board? Nasa drawing board pa siya. You are deciding. Oops, lumipad yung baraha. Sandali po. And you want to take a leap of faith. Leap of faith. Ito na naman siya, Si Queen of Swords naman siya. You want to take a leap of faith. Yun yata yung indecision mo, Libra. Indecision on doing that. It's a huge thing for you. It's a huge thing for you. Or are you planning to get married? It can be that also. Relationship and getting married is a different stage of your life. And it requires strength as well, kung ready ka o hindi. Agree? The new beginning will comes in. Okay. Ito I think I know na ito. Yung indecision na ito, it's the indecision and the decision it should be coming from you, but you don't have that courage to do that. Meron ka pang hinihintay? Yes, maybe. Okay? But alam mo naman yung solution. Okay, you see this card? Okay. I call this miser mentality. Miser, you're restricting yourself. The answer is inside you. Hindi ka alone. You don't need the help. The answer is in front of you. Yun yung key, You just need to grab the key and enter the door, which is the unknown. Yes, marami tayong ganyan indecisions. It makes us undecided to take care, to open. So kailangan mo naghihintay ka ng clarity. Kung meron ka mang hinihintay pa, that's fine. Or You're the one who should make the decision. Kasi pinaglaban mo na rin siya eh. Pero parang yung yung win mo is parang superficial. Pero kailangan moong or ready ka na or hindi pa. Ikaw to eh. Again, I do not know kung ikaw ito or somebody else na related to the situation. So you need to open the door to get your pentacles. Again, sa negosyo, kung hindi mo inopen tong mag-fill up ng application form para mangutang, hindi mo makukuha yun. Agree? Meron bang ganyan? And that for you, it will make you fulfilled. The happiness that you've been searching for sa family, or kung ano mang happiness yung definition mo. Give yourself 1 month. 15, 16, 17, 18. September 18. September 18. Ay pumasok lang yung sa isip ko. The moon is on the 18th. When is the next full moon? September. Full moon or new moon? Kasi may clarity hinihintay. It might open you that special portal, whatever portal that you are waiting for. Yes, Libra, meron bang ganyan? So, something that hindi sinasabi ni Taro, but you're on the stage of, you need to have that faith. To have that faith. Yes? So, September 1 to 7. September 1 to 7. I look forward for this one kay Libra. This is a beautiful one. I like this kind of energy kasi adventurous ng Scorpio. Scorpio can see in the dark, sabi nga. So, but not everybody can si Libra medyo naghahanap siya ng balance, unless sabihin siguro pag sinabi ni Scorpio, sige na, bumili ka na ng Mercedes-Benz, kulang naman yung pera mo, bahala na, yan, ibibigay sa'yo ng langit or whatsoever. Yung magandang tipo, pero yun ang hinihintay mo yung decision or yung convincing. Libra. Meron mga ganyan, Libra. So, alam na tayo, last oracle card. Tignan natin kung ano yung message. Kung ano yung message sa'yo ng moon. I'm talking about the moon. Bigyan mo ako ng isa si Libra. Bigyan mo siya ng isang oracle card. Isa lang. Isa. Okay. Hindi ko kunin to. Isa lang. Tignan natin. Isa. Madami, nakakagulo siya. Yeah, okay. Yun na yun. Nagalit na yata. Sabi ng Gemini moon. Okay, Libra. Sabi, stress may, ano ba to? Ayaw nung camera. Sorry. Stress may be an issue. Tama po ba? Stress may be an issue during this time. Stress may be an issue during this time. So, ingat lang. Ayan na, i-stress na si Libra. September, palapit na yung birthday. So, let's wait for the next new moon or full moon. Hinihintay mo. Yung moon ni Gemini. Gemini is duality. Libra is also looking for that balance. Do you have a friend na Gemini? Maybe that something na you can you can share your thoughts. Kung si Gemini yung hinihintay mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng nudge, Libra. Yeah? Okay. So, September 1 to 7, shout out po tayo, mga kapatid nating OFW. Have a great weekend. Salamat po.